Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Tech and AI YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove double chin with FaceTune app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the FaceTune app and already logged in, and now right after that, once you open it, you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the FaceTune apps on in the screen, where you can see the plus icon at the bottom. Simply tap on that option and now you can choose any of the photos from the library. So let me choose one of them, and now you can see lots of edit options at the bottom of the screen. So make sure you are in retouch section, and at the bottom right corner of this you can see reshape option. So simply select the reshape option and now you'll be able to remove your double chin successfully from here. So basically this is how you can remove double chin with FaceTune app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this very helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.